Hello DIYers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're returning, you're welcome as well. Today we're going to be making curry and sweet corn rice. This rice was delicious. And the fun part is it doesn't even require so many ingredients as the case may be. So you're going to saute some onion in a pot as you can see me doing. You're going to add some pepper. You're going to add that. This recipe doesn't require tomatoes, so yes, no tomatoes. You're going to go in with some curry powder. You're going to add it into the pot as you can see me doing, and you're going to allow it to, blend with everything. You're going to fry it on just medium heat. Then you're going with some water, and then you add some meat stock. Then you're going to start to add all of your spices. So this is my special spice mix. It just has a mix of ginger, garlic, and a few other things. If you'd like a video, I could do it and show you how I make mine. I added some curry leaves. You're going to add some seasoning cubes. You're going to mix all of that and allow it to come to a boil. Then you're going to add some washed perboiled rice, as you can see me do in the video. Then you're going to carefully mix all of this goodness together. You're going to mix to combine so that everything just comes together, and then you'd allow everything to cook. Now you're going to cover the pot so that it can cook properly and drain all of the water. Then you're going to add some sweet corn, but you'd have to wash it first. Don't just pour it into the pot directly. Wash the sweet corn and then sprinkle it all over the rice. At this point the rice is cooked, and all that is left to do is just add the sweet corn. And then once this is done, you just let it simmer for about a minute, and then you serve. Now I served this with some peppered beef, and it was so delicious. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you still haven't done so that whenever we have new videos up, you'd be the first to be notified. Whatever questions you might have, just drop them in the comment section and I'll address them. See you in my next post. Bye.